Use a pry clip to pry the small speaker. Unplug the speaker cable connector. Use a flat blade screwdriver to pry gaps in the red decorative cover. Use a pry clip to pry the red decorative cover. There is a T30 screw inside. Use a T30 screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Please also unscrew the middle screw. Please also unscrew the screw near the armrest. After unscrewing the 3 screws, use a pry clip to pry off the edge of the door panel. After the door panel is loose, lift the door panel up. The door panel is not removed. Unplug all cable connectors behind the door panel. It is easier to remove the cable connectors with the help of a flat screwdriver. All cable connectors have been removed. Use the clip to pry the 3 buckles holding the door glass. Lift up and remove the door's rubber strip. Pull up and remove the other side rubber strip. Mark the edge of the glass, convenient for positioning when installing glass. Just like this. Also mark the glass on the other side. Take out the 2 rubber plugs of the glass. Use a 10mm socket to remove the screws fixing the glass on the outside. Take out the screws on the outside side. This screw close to the car's body. Just loosen it, no need to take it off. But the 2 screws on the back door need to be all removed. Use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the buckles and solid glue that secure the outer glass. Loosen the buckle and solid glue of the glass on the other side. Loosen the buckle and solid glue near the inside. Take out the glass. Take out the 2 small rubber plugs of the trim panel. Use a 10mm socket to remove these 2 screws. Use an 8mm socket to remove these 12 screws. Unplug all the cable connectors on the trim panel. Take out the trim panel. Take out these 2 rubber plugs. Use a T25 screwdriver to unscrew these 3 screws. Unplug the original lock cable connector and take the lock out. Use a T15 screwdriver to remove these 2 screws. Remove the original lock emergency pull rope. Pay attention to the markings on the lock to prevent installing the wrong lock. Transplant the emergency boot rope to the electric suction lock. Put the electric suction lock into the lock groove and fix the 3 screws. Plug in the original lock cable connector. Secure the wires with ties. Effect after installation. The remaining 3 doors are installed in the same way. Product does not include electric door handles. Secure the door trim panel with 12 screws and return it to place. Return the glass to the mark made before disassembly. This makes it easier to debug the glass. After fixing the glass, you can use 2 screws to debug it. Make sure the glass does not interfere with closing the car door. Put the outer rubber strip of the glass back into place. Put the inner rubber strip of the glass back into place. Insert the 3 rubber plug. Plug in all cable connectors on the door trim panel. Put all the rubber plugs in place according to the holes. Plug all the plugs on the door panel into each other, and route the wires along the original positions. Be careful to reserve the speaker wire facing outwards. Secure the original emergency cable. Press the door panel to lock it in place. Connect the speaker cable and secure it. Fix the 3 screws on the door panel. Put on the small red cover.